Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission in the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Now, what do we have here? 2018 Dodge Challenger. V6, V8, it should work for both. Most people will automatically, guys, open the hood and check the fuse box that's under the hood. But in that fuse box, that's not that you will not be able to find that fuse. This fuse box is practically for engine management. So we'll need to go to the trunk. Now you can see right here, the car was in a little bit of an accident, but it's a champ, runs and drives great. So if we come right here, we're talking about that power outlet, guys, that is in the center console. We're talking about that device, okay, right there. So what can easily, guys, okay, cause that? Now, fuse is number one thing. Second, it could be a bad socket, or you have something metal like a coin change or something that keeps burning your fuse. We'll have a video how to replace power, okay, cigarette lighter socket, and how to test cigarette lighter socket as well. You're going to come right here under the cover where you access a spare tire and things. Usually you have a cover right here, and that cover will be for fuse box. You press right here, pull up, and it will come out. Now, what do we need to look for here, guys? Before we continue, let me tell you why it's super important to test your fuses. First, most people, guys, will assume that the fuse is bad good, sometimes, and they'll put it back in because you cannot clearly see if it's burned. In some cases, you may not be able to see at all, and in that case, you may put a bad fuse in the fuse box and you think it's good, and you're going to waste time and money to fix a problem that doesn't exist. Always test fuses and relays. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses and relays and where to buy cheap fuses and relays from. The power outlet fuse, guys, is located, okay, if you come right here, check this thing out. That last 20 amp fuse, that fuse right here is for the power outlet, guys. This is super, okay, super important fuse right here. That fuse is a 20 amp fuse. If you need a replacement one, check out the link in the description of the video below. You can see where you can buy it from. But you can see this is the fuse, and that's how we remove it. Those are the mini special fuses. We'll put the link where you can buy one from. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We, guys, have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.